Is Samsung TV volume not working? Here's how to resolve it now. Samsung TV has several innovative features such as a game mode, voice assistant support, screen mirroring, and more. It's in a head-to-head competition with the best Google TVs. However, no matter which model you use, nothing diminishes your TV watching experience like audio issues. So if you're encountering issues with volume control for Samsung TVs, then look no further, as GadInsider has rounded up a step-by-step guide to troubleshoot this problem within a couple of minutes. There are multiple reasons for sound issues. It might be because of a faulty remote, malfunctioning cable, and more. Firstly, check out your TV. If it's on mute, raise up the volume by pressing on volume up button on the remote. But still, if the volume levels don't appear on your TV screen, then check out the TV settings by these steps. Firstly, launch Settings and tap Sound. Now choose Sound Output and click on a TV speaker. Another way you can fix it is to automatically detect the actual issue with the audio, performing a sound test by following these steps. Firstly, launch Settings on Samsung TV and click on Support, then select Self-Diagnosis and choose Sound Test to identify the audio issue. If the audio gets detected in the sound test, then resetting the sound might fix it. Then follow these steps. Firstly, launch the settings and tap Sound. Now click on Expert Settings and select Reset Sound. Several issues are automatically solved by the latest software update on your Samsung TV, such as glitches and more that only require a few minutes. Here are the steps to update Samsung TV software. Firstly, launch Settings and click on Support. Then choose Software Update, and Update Now options will automatically appear. If there is a new software update, turn on Auto Update to get the latest update installed in a while.